Hi friends, how are you all? And Eid Mubarak to all of you guys. I hope you all guys are doing very well, guys. So today we are just going to talk about how to mod any online games and offline games on your Android phone. Even you don't need to root your phone, guys. So let's talk about this. But this is a quite hard task because if your phone is rooted, then you can easily use application like Game Guardian, Game Killer. But if your phone is not rooted, then what to do? So today I'm just gonna discuss about this, guys, how to mod any game on your Android phone. So if you are new at my channel, guys, then just go and check my previous video. You will get lots of idea, and if you are already subscribed me, then thanks a lot for your support, guys. So just do it, guys. Let's begin how to do this. So guys, I'm just gonna take example of Asphalt 8 because I also getting lots of requests to hack this game Asphalt 8, but you can take any example, guys. I have already hacked the game Critical Loops through this example. You can check my description, otherwise you can check my old video. So you must have to download the application first, guys, because you have to download original application to do this kind of a thing. So just go to Play Store and you can download any game, whatever you want to download. It doesn't keep any matter online offline. So I'm taking example of Asphalt 8. After that you have to download application Quada. This is my favorite one, guys, but there is a two type of application. First one is a premium, second one is a free one. So even you can use a free one, guys. You can see, guys, download is more than 100,000, about 1 million and 4.1 rating. This app is really cool, guys. If you are in coder, then this app is for you. After that you have to download a RAR application, and this is also quite good to do lots of changes in RAR for second zip signer. So this will sign your file to install on your phone after modding all the things. Once you're done, guys, again install exe file because this is also necessary part of our game. Just go to your exe file and back up your game. Once you back up your game, just go to your backup folder and copy your game to your any desired folder. And like I have already made a folder like RAN mods, so you can make any folder whatever you want to make. So just go there and copy it, and let me paste and just paste it. There is our game, guys, Asphalt 8. So you just have to do lots of things in only APK form because OBB data of all game is the same. OBB data about graphics, about visual interface, so we have to change money. So that is not gonna change OBB data, we can only change APK. So you can see, guys, just click on extract options and just select your game. Just extract this game to find your data folder, because to find data folder we need root. So without root we can find in this form data folder. You can see, guys, our all game folder we have. Now we have all game folder. After that you have to check every folder to check what they have updated in your game, because once they used to update their game, they used to patch lots of hack, lots of glitch in their game. That is why they used to update their game. So you must have to check all these kind of things. Now you are thinking, Ran, we are not getting anything, what the language it is, guys. So guys, this is as I said before, this is quite hard, but if you are using PC and if you are using any software like IDA and App Signer, then this is quite simple. So if you are new and if you don't know what the language it is, guys, you can use any language, guys. I just recommend just go to PC and just install IDE application and do practice. After doing lots of practice, you can do lots of things. So once you checked all the files, guys, and then you will get idea where I have to do changes, because every update there is a lots of things. So once you done all the process, all the check, after that you have to make your own script to add the game. So how to make a script, guys, I will also make individual video about it, how to make a script in my next video. Maybe if you guys will want, then I will definitely make it for you guys. So after that you must have to develop a script, and in the script you must have to care all things about money, gems, and game graphics and game interference, anti-cheat detected. You have to remove all the things and you have to add the things. So this is a main part of modding your game, guys, because if you do anything wrong, a little bit wrong things, then your game will be never load. As like I have uploaded previous hack Mobile Legend, how to hack Mobile Legend unlimited money. So this game is not opening because I did some mistakes. I will fix it very soon because I don't know what was the mistake. But this game is really working very fine because in this game I know very well where I have to change and where I have to not to change. Now again you are thinking, Ren, how to make a script. So I will make video about it very soon, guys. If you guys will want me to make a script video, then just comment in a comment section and please make a script video. I will make it for you. So this is a quite simple, guys. Once you make your script, again I'm saying this is the main part of our game, because this will decide actually what you are going to add. If you are going to add god mode, in visual mode, unlocked all things, purchase things, going to add unlimited things. But for online games as like Clash of Clans, Critical Ops and Bullet Force like games, you are going to add unlimited things. It will not work because unlimited things are connected to their main server. So once you add the unlimited things, the game will be overloaded and you will get banned. But the game like these things, Asphalt 8 or others, Plant vs Zombies 2 like games, you can add unlimited things also. So once you file the file, you can see guys, there is our script folder. It's about 41 MB. After that you have to just rename your game to RAR form. Once you renamed your game RAR form, just open in RAR applications, and once you open RAR application, just click on op 1 level. There is our game data also. So just click on op 1 level and copy your folder. There is our game data, guys. So just click on that and click on a cut option. There is a cut option, and just again open the game and go there and go to folder leave and RMify and just paste your code. Once you paste the code, guys, again go to ex file and you must have to rename your application to APK form, because it's in RAR form. So just click on APK form. Now you can see, guys, now it's APK form. So don't install yet the application because we have do illegal changes, so we have to sign the file. So to sign the file, just go to OpenGP signer and select your game, and you can see, guys, it will hardly take 1 to 2 minutes to sign the file, because this is the main important part. If you will not sign the file, your game will never installed in your applications. So this is the main part to sign the file. After sign the file, you can see there is a 2 applications, sign.apk, and first one is the only APK. So uninstall Play Store version first before installing the mod application. We have you modded now. So uninstall the Play Store version. After that, you can see, guys, there is our game. So just let me open this. So whenever you will open this, now this game is a modded. So you can see, guys, hacked by Dr. Zen to visit. This game is a really modded, and I have added many more things, unlimited things, all cars unlocked. But due to some copyright issue, I can't play this game in front of you. But you can try. There is a direct mod APK link in my description, guys, from where you can download this application. So guys, if you want me to make a script video, I will definitely make it for you. If you want me to hack any more game, just click on subscribe button, comments, like. See you in my next video.